Hello, guys. Yes, I know that you are good when it comes to coding with Python, JavaScript, and the rest. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to code automatically with Chat GPT that you need not to think through about 2 to 3 hours on how to write your code. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically generate your code with Chat GPT. So we are going to log into our Chat GPT account. My last video, I showed you how to create Chat GPT account. So if you don't have Chat GPT account, that's Open AI account. Just watch my video and create one. So let's go. So Chat GPT. Okay, so Chat GPT here. Let's log in. I have my particulars already. So continue, continue. Okay, wow. So I'm right here at Chat GPT. So assuming we want to code for a voice recognition, you know, we need just to type something and Chat GPT is here to help us. So assuming I want to say use Python to build a voice assistant that can help you with tasks like setting reminders, creating to-do lists, and searching the web. You can use speech recognition libraries like speech recognition and Python to build your assistant. So I'm going to let ChatGPT help me with this. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do with this information that I've given to this AI. It's going to be so marvelous. Marvelous. Yes, let's see. Guys, guys, guys. That is amazing, guys. It's just generating all this thing for us. Don't worry. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Automatically, ChatGPT is generating our coding that voice assistant. So just watch. Wow. Wow, guys. This is so amazing. Technology has advanced so much. Wow. Wow, guys. So this is so amazing. You realize that it has it has given us all that we need to put together to get a voice recognition assistant. We can also generate another response. So let's see. So it's giving you how to do this, how to build a voice assistant. So it's just generating. Nowadays, it's not about spending much time. There's a saying that it's about being smart. You see, it's about being smart. So I need to share this opportunity with all of you. So you also share the video to others too. See what the wonders Chat GPT is doing in our society today. So Chat GPT is doing so wonderful things, and I believe that you guys need to um, also enjoy it with this opportunity. So share the video, please. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. So let's generate the third one. Let's see, third one. Yes. So it's just giving us how to build the voice recognition. Yes. Wow. The world has advanced so much. Huh. Chat GPT. Charlie, I recommend to you, okay, create your account right now and start using Chat GPT. So amazing, guys. So amazing. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe for me, okay? Subscribe. I want this video to hit more views. So subscribe for others to see this video and get opportunity to see, guys. Wow, wow, wow. So guys, so this is how ChatGPT can help you create or just do your code. So it has given you all the guidelines. But I believe if you upgrade to plus here, upgrade. If you upgrade, it will automatically write everything for you. It will write everything for you. But yeah, it has given you the guide to know how to do the coding for voice assistant um, using Python. Yes, we can also say that it should use maybe JavaScript or something. So with this one, later we will look at that one. But this is Python. So guys, it's so amazing. It's a nice time with you. So please kindly subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Watch out for our next video on Eduasari TV. Yes, Eduasari TV has come to stay. Stay blessed.